Welcome to Everyday Elijah, where every day is an adventure. Hi, this is Elijah's dad. His mom and I just wanted to say thanks for visiting Elijah's new channel. If you like cool videos for kids with exciting adventures, airplanes, helicopters, trains, and all kinds of animals and toys, this is the perfect channel for you. Stay tuned and you'll catch a sneak peek of all the fun we'll have in store in our future episodes. Elijah can't wait to share his adventures with you. Hope you enjoy. Helicopter.
He's gonna fly.
What you think, bud?
Isn't that the neatest thing?
It's a helicopter, yeah.
A helicopter?
Look, there it is.
Look, go fly.
Oh, he's going up.
Look, he's going up.
Bye. Bye.
Whoa.
Bye.
Look at that. Oh, I never seen that before. Look how he's doing it. Oh.
Whoa. There it goes.
There he goes. You better close that door. He's gonna go around
What
in
you
a
think
circle.
about that? Look, oh, look, there he goes. Look out Mama's window.
There's another one sitting over there about to go. Hello?
Are you a train?
Move back again. Hey, look at mommy. Elijah, look at mommy.
Are you a train? Are you a train? Woo, woo. Are you the engine that could?
A payment.
Oh, can you believe it? Oh, he's stinky. You're stinky. Oh, he's so gentle, y'all. Ew.
Look at that.
Isn't it cool?
You got some food to feed him?
And I already gave him some.
I think they call us
There's an ostrich.
ostrich.
This one just won't get out of the way.
He said, oh, you talking about me?
Hey, buddy.
I don't have any more. See? I
Bye-bye.
don't have any more.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
I don't have any more.
Oh, they're fighting over there.
Where? Where?
They're right across.
Oh, they are fighting.
Whoa.
Oh. My goodness.
This is pretty cool.
I don't know if we might have needed to go to the bathroom.
You alright, Mama?
I don't think you'll be, just pee on this seat. I don't think anybody wants to know.
Well, hey.
Hello, dear.
Alright, she.
Hey, here, look. Go. There's a deer right there. It's a deer. Oh, I am not giving you any more. You're spoiled. That poor girl up yonder hadn't even got any.
Wow, look at that one. That's a big airplane. That's a big one.
About one. Orange. Oh, orange.
You want popsicle?
Bye.
Hey, look. See big goat? I saw one.
Here's you another one. Oh.
Hey, come on.
Yes, I love that.
Remember that one?
Oh, yes.
Reel it in. Reel it in.
Oh.
Look at him. What is that? What is that? Roar. All right. Is that a lion? He's trying to dig out. Those are big tigers.
Oh.
Look. They're coming to see you. Wave bye-bye. Woohoo! They're waving at you. Look, it's flying. Whoa, that feels good, don't it? Woohoo! Look, there it goes. Goodbye, helicopter. Bye. Bye. We really hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of how much fun Everyday Elijah's future episodes will be. Like and subscribe to our channel to see all of our new content as we upload it. Thanks, and see you next time.